Welcome to my kitchen. Today on Cooking Show at Home, I'm making a delicious vegetarian chili served with baked potatoes. As always, you'll find the list of ingredients on the screen and in the video description below. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support my channel. I'll start by dicing an onion. Next, peel and dice a carrot. Turn the stove on. Pour some oil into a frying pan and heat it up. Start by frying the onion and carrot. While they're cooking, cut a red bell pepper, remove the seeds and dice it. Once ready, add it to the frying pan. Now, cut and dice 2 celery sticks and add them to the pan. Time to open the cans of tomato sauce, beans, and corn. You don't need to drain the corn, but be sure to drain and rinse the beans well under cold water. Add the drained and rinsed beans to the frying pan and stir. Today, I'd like to serve my chili with baked potatoes. I'll make a few cuts in the potatoes so they cook faster. And because it's too hot to use the oven, I'll bake them in the microwave. Just place the potatoes in a bowl with a little water and cover it. You can use your microwave's preset function for baked potatoes or simply set the time manually. I set mine for 5 minutes. Okay, while the potatoes are baking, add the corn to the frying pan, along with the pure tomato sauce, bay leaves, and a bit of lemon juice, and crushed and pressed or minced garlic. Spice it up with seasoning. Add paprika, cumin, dried oregano, and chili powder. I also like to add a mushroom umami seasoning to my vegetarian dishes, but that's optional. Add salt to taste. Before blending, if the chili is too thick, add a bit of water. Don't overblend, leave some texture. If you don't have an immersion blender, a potato masher works just fine. Stir in the cilantro. And if the potatoes are ready, it's time to serve. Enjoy! Like my video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new videos. And thank you for watching. Bye!